Tried and true technology plus innovation. That is the simple recipe for success offered by this Canadian team. This country has a network of more than 683,000 miles of roads, so these trailers will be useful upgrades for many local companies. The development is compatible with trucks of different manufacturers, for example, Mack and Kenworth. Thanks to the advanced control panel, it's easy to control the unloading of soil, gravel, and other cargo, even when working alone. The conveyor system is built in from the factory. If accuracy and precision are not required, the trailer can be emptied in just a minute. The trailer has an 812 cubic foot capacity and is made with Hardox 450 wear-resistant steel, which is used to make buckets and blades for a variety of equipment, among other things. It is every scrap business's portable processing dream, says the Belgian company Lefort. The reason is they not only mount balers on trucks, but also produce their tracked versions. And in 2022, the company has more than 4,000 units, which makes it the leader in scrap metal processing. On the screen, you can see the Mobile 660 on wheels and the Trax 600 on tracks. The task of the machines is to cut and flatten scrap metal, making it easier to store and transport it. The wheeled version has no problems driving on public roads, and the tracked version is controlled remotely, which makes it perfect for small spaces. The American company Tandem offers a very interesting upgrade for trucks. Just install a special system and you get an environmentally friendly and economical hybrid. In all-electric mode, diesel fuel consumption will drop by 95%, so the truck will pay for itself in 103 days on average. The company is sure that all-electric trucks are expensive and unreliable. The problem's not only the technology, but sometimes simply the fact that there's no way to charge the vehicle. Thus, the Tandem Centaur is an excellent solution. The driver gets an extra 630 horsepower, and if something happens, they can drive using the diesel engine again. Connecting and disconnecting the unit takes a couple of minutes, and the control remains exactly the same, and it is 90% cheaper than a new electric or hydrogen fuel cell truck, and it only takes 45 minutes to charge to 80%. Once upon a time, an Australian company decided to upgrade its fleet of dump trucks by adding side tippers to them. And these are not just any tippers, they are patented and of high volume. Each tipper can hold up to 3,000 cubic feet of cargo, more than what a standard open wagon can hold. A tipping system lets you work up to 10 times faster than with other equipment, and a built-in safety system protects the dump truck from rolling over. In order to control loading and unloading, the driver doesn't even need to leave the cabin, because the control is remote. In addition, the design is optimized for loads of different densities, so you can work anywhere, even in quarries or landfills. Things are going quite well in Sweden too. The team at Scania offers a wood chip truck. In 2021, Scania engineers created a 111.5-foot-long wood chip truck that made transporting wood chips 30% more efficient. The innovative truck boasts smooth operation and reduced fuel consumption, as well as impeccable behavior in traffic jams. The video shows an earlier version owned by a logistics firm. The truck Scania R560, equipped with a standard 560 horsepower engine, was chosen for modernization. According to tests, the wood chip truck came out not only reliable, but also economical. With an annual mileage of 167,770 miles, companies will spend $4,867 less on fuel. German engineers are not sitting idly by either. Their latest invention, the PeGaTec FROG transforming truck, can already be seen on the road. This vehicle makes loading and unloading much easier. Now you can easily get, for example, pallets inside. It's built on a Fiat van, and the design doesn't damage the asphalt, paving stones or other surfaces. The development was quite successful and was even shown at the Worth exhibition. We are back in Sweden. Not only design and tourism are advanced here, but also mechanical engineering. By the way, back in 1999, it accounted for about 50% of the country's industrial production. So, the Swedes know a lot about interesting machinery. What do you think of this side loader, for example? Let's talk numbers. A full work cycle takes 4.5 minutes, and modifications are available for a variety of tasks. It can work with huge bobbins and containers, even if they're on wagons. And there's enough power to stack two 9.6-foot containers on top of each other, and the maximum capacity is 92,600 pounds. The summer of 22 brought more fire problems for Germany. In particular, fires were actively spreading through the Brandenburg region. Not only are there a lot of dry pine forests, but there are also munitions from World War II. So, the task of firefighters and rescuers is extremely tough. But luckily, they have auxiliary equipment. Now on your screen, you can see the universal Müller safety trailer, which can be used for 3 functions. First, it is a tow truck for fire-damaged vehicles, with the ability to cool them down with water. Secondly, it's a classic trailer that can carry 31,526 pounds of load. And thirdly, it is a fire tank with a capacity of 4,500 gallons of water. Next up are these smart trucks, working by the roll-on, roll-off principle. The design features of the body allow you to lower it to ground level in just 8 seconds. Why such speed though? It's simple. If a driver needs to go around 25 addresses, they'll save 90 minutes. The LiftBox line offers models ranging from 7,716 to 15,432 pounds of GVW on several chassis options, complete with diesel, gas or electric engines. The engineers are confident that the trucks are suitable even for non-standard tasks, turning into emergency equipment or stores on wheels if necessary. In addition, the company notes there is less space in cities every day, which means that compact trucks are becoming more and more useful. An interesting fact from the German company FTS. Many farms use trailers only for harvesting and transporting crops, which is only a couple of months a year. This is not profitable. So why not upgrade them like this? An hour of time, 2 people, and the upgraded trailers are ready to spread fertilizer, haul liquids, and help with other chores. Upgrading the trailers is extremely simple. A huge flexible tank is placed in the vehicle, and a spray system is mounted on the back. It comes already assembled, so workers only have to mount and connect everything. There's no need to cut, saw, or modify the trailer. The load capacity is adapted to each specific trailer model. The tank material is resistant to various chemicals like ammonium nitrate and can withstand temperatures from -22 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Heavy snowfalls are a problem for any city. For example, in 2011, New York City was hit by such heavy snowfall that about 4 million people were left without electricity. Snow melting machines like this one help to fight the snow. The most powerful model can melt 1.3 million pounds of snow per hour. For comparison, about the same amount of debris was collected in 2021 from the waterways of Moscow. This makes it possible to quickly clear runways, train stations, and other important facilities. In addition, the company's ready to treat the cleared territory with anti-icing reagents as well.